What's up, Bender fam? Dylan from Trailbenders Overland here. I've noticed that our Jeep Gladiator tires are towed in just a little bit. I'm going to show you how to fix it. So what you want to do is measure the distance between the two rear tires. You want to find a spot on the tire that is the same on both sides, measure that, and then check the front and make sure it's the same or within a 1/16 or an 1/8 inch. Get a friend to help you with this part. We are 72 3/8. Let's check the front. 71 1/8. So it's gotta come quite a bit out. Grab a 15mm wrench and loosen this clamp here. We've already done that. Then grab yourself some channel locks. Twisting up or tightening, so to speak, will tow your tires out from each other. So you'll want to go back and forth a couple times, adjust, measure, again. When you get it, just tighten this back down. And you're good to go. That's it, simple process. And it's the same thing on a JL if that's what you're searching for. And it's so easy to do at home, it'll save you a trip from going to the shop. Thank you all again so much for watching. If you like our content, hit that like button. If you want to see more of our videos as it comes out, consider hitting the notification bell. Subscribe if you want to join the Bender fam. This is Dylan from Trailbenders Overland. Out. If you haven't yet, head over to our online store to check out the awesome gear we use and all the new merch. Link in the description below.